What you're about to listen to in the next 4 minutes is absolutely the most attractive traits a man can ever possess, in order to make women subconsciously make you irresistible. The best part of making women irresistible is to be unique and stand out from other men. It all comes down to your internal game. The way you play it and how confident you feel about it. When you can make any woman tiptoe on her toes for you or even in thinking about you. And today in this video, I'm gonna tell you how it's done. So, let's get started. Number 1, hot and cold behavior. A very few men know how to be hot and cold in situations. This trait is most visible in women, and it's adapted from them. We see most women, almost 85% of them apply this particular technique to make men constantly think about them. They come out to be hot at times and within seconds their mood changes to being away from you, like really a very cold behavior. And women are well experienced and trained in doing that. The same thing works with men as well. When we are touchy and too flirty on a day or two, the next day we act as if we don't even care what she wants from you, or we don't even notice what's going on with her. When we do this thing, women go through a series of questions and self-analysis in breaking down what's happening. Finally, they can break that code we've been playing. Which makes you be constantly in her thoughts. This technique is a serious deal breaker in landing women into your arms. Do this with women with whom you have a good connection with, like good friends or crush. This technique works like a miracle. Number 2, have a unique styling. A man who has a unique style doesn't mean he is rich or he is having money to spend on his looks. It means his self-care and looks do matter for him. He has a unique taste for the way he looks and feels around in public. He is confident in his own way. The way he presents himself is confident in his outfit. Even if others don't view his outfit to be attractive, he gives importance to his comfort and is not hesitant in showing it off. This is the type of attitude most men need to adopt. Most people follow the trend, most people follow others in a common lifestyle, so does the clothing. People are scared of others' thoughts about them. That's the reason why most men don't try out new styles. Because whatever matters to them is what people think of their new style. Number 3, loving his own company. A man who doesn't love his own company is seriously not in love with himself. When a man loves himself the most in this entire world is the one who is loved by the most. Yes, there will be people even if you are the happiest person. It's inevitable, and everyone needs to know that. A man who is happy with himself is the one women love because he respects himself, he gives time for himself and has things to do. He can live alone enjoying on his own. This is what is called self-love. That's it for today. With that being said, thank you for watching.